Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my second lesson of D2, chapter number 2, exercise 2C, that is about graphs of linear equations. If you find any difficulty about what is the rectangular coordinate system and how to plot the line and how to mark the point, you have to watch the previous lesson, for which I will give the link in the description box. Because for the better understanding of maths lessons, it's really important to integrate the lesson with the previous lesson. Let's move to question number 4, advanced level. Let's read the question first. Question says that consider the equation minus 2x plus y equals to minus 3, and then we have to copy and complete the table that we are given with certain values of x equals to minus 1, 0 and 2, and we have to find the corresponding values of y. What we will be doing for getting and obtaining these values of y, we have to replace values of x in this equation carefully, and we will be getting the corresponding values of y. Then the next task is on the sheet of graph paper, using the scale 4 centimeter equals to 1 unit on x-axis and 2 centimeter to represent 1 unit on y-axis, we have to draw the graph of minus 2x plus y equals to minus 3 for x lies between minus 1 and 2. It's really important that in most of the questions in CIE examination, the scale will already be given. You must have to follow the instructions given in the question. You must have to follow the scale which is given in the question. And if the scale is not already given in the question, you have to try to set the most suitable and easy scale, that 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit depending upon the situation of the question. The next part says on the same axis, draw the graph of y is equal to minus 1. Recall the previous lesson that what type of the line y is equal to minus 1 is either horizontal or vertical. You should have the clear concept of horizontal, vertical and non-vertical lines, and find the area of the trapezium bounded by the line minus 2x plus y minus 3 and y equals to minus 1 and x-axis and y-axis. Let's move to the solution of the question, and the first task is the completion of table. So for that purpose, what I have to do, that is a part of the question, and I will be taking the given equation minus 2x plus y equals to minus 3 when I'm replacing x equals to minus 1 in the given equation. 2 into minus 1 plus y equals to minus 3. Do not forget the role of integers, that minus multiplied by minus will give you plus. 2 plus y equals to minus 3. Shift 2 to other side and you will have y equals to minus 3 minus 2 and y equals to minus 5. So when x is minus 1, y is minus 5. Y is minus 5. Replace the value in front of x minus 1. Now the second point, x is 0. For x0, when I will be replacing x0 over here, 2 multiplied by 0 will give me 0 and my y value will become minus 3. Easy calculation. And for the next point, that is x equals to 2, again take the equation minus 2x plus y equals to minus 3. Instead of x, I have to replace 2 plus y equals to minus 3 minus 4 plus y equals to minus 3. Shift minus 4 to other side, it will change the sign. Y equals to 4 minus 3 and y equals to 1, and block the answer and write this answer in front of the value of x, which is 2, y equals to 1. The task 1 is complete, that we have completed the table, and the second task says that we have to draw the graph that 4 centimeter equals to 1 unit, that after leaving 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks, we have to mark values of x 1 and 2, and on the negative side we need only one point, so I have marked the point over here. And for y-axis, I have to take 2 centimeter equal to 1 unit, because in my table most of the values are negative, so I've taken the negative side of y-axis more and positive side less. 2 centimeter equals to 1 unit, so y1 will be coming at this place 0 and y value is 1, so I have to mark 1 over here. Now it's a time to plot the points on the graph paper. 0 with -3. When x is 0, y value is -3. So the point will be marked at this place. Then with -1, when x is -1, y is -5. X -1, y is -5. So the point will be marked over here under -1. First reach at -1 on x-axis, then move downward and reach in front of 5 with negative sign. This is 5 with minus sign. And now when x is 2, y is +1. First reach at x equals to 2 and y equals to +1. So the point will be coming at this place. Now we have marked these 3 points on the graph paper, and we have to join these points carefully with the help of ruler, and they will form a straight line. Be careful. Okay, let me join the point. Okay, and we are getting the straight line. This is the required line that we are getting by plotting these points. And after drawing the line, we have to, let me make this line little thick and bold, but you have to, on your actual working, have to draw very neat and thin line. No need to make it bold. This is just to give you the idea and understanding. Okay, I hope you are clear about this. And I have to label the line as well. -2x plus y equals to -3. I hope you are clear about how to draw the line. The next part says, on the same axis in B part that we have already drawn, we have to draw the line y equals to -1. Recall that y is equal to -1. This is the place where I have the y value -1. So I have to draw the line y equals to -1 carefully, and I have to label this line as well. Y is equal to -1. This is the horizontal line, y is equal to -1, and label the line. And the next part says that find the area of the trapezium bounded by the line -2x plus y equals to -3, y is equal to -1, x-axis and y-axis. We can see that this is the trapezium which is bounded by the line y is equal to -1, -2x plus y equals to -3, x-axis and y-axis. Let me highlight the area, which is the trapezium. Okay, enjoy your geometry work. Okay, and in order to find the area of trapezium, we know that the formula for the area of trapezium is half height, area equals to half height and sum of parallel sides S1 plus S2, where S1 and S2 are the parallel sides. Now if we look at this diagram, we can see that height is 1 unit. Height is 1 unit because what is the reason? Let me draw the line from this point so that it should not mix that one with that. Okay, from 0 to 1, height is 1 unit. And now if you look at the parallel sides, one side is of Meyer 1 unit, and the other side, this is 1, and after that I am leaving 2 blocks. So this will be 0.25, 0.25, 1.5. So my area will become half. Height is 1 unit and sum of parallel sides. This is 1 unit plus 1.5. This will give me half into 2.5, and that will give me 2.5 upon 2, which is equal to 1.1 whole 1 by 4 or 1.25 unit square. Unit, because this is the area, so we must have to mark the unit. I hope you are clear about this question. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.